Thanks, Lisa. I mean, so many people have that crud that's going around right now.
That's
I'm
right.
still dealing with the remnants of it myself.
That's right. A lot of lingering congestion, and it may not clear up anytime soon, given we're taking another dip temperature-wise, right?
Absolutely. So the biggest thing about colds transferring is not really the temperature, but it's all of us staying trapped inside to stay warm.
Right. Gotcha.
And then we start spreading it around. So yeah, winter definitely starting to take a hit at the Pacific Northwest once again, as our temperatures today very much so on the mild side. 45 degrees is where we currently reside, with a beautiful sunset in the works out along the Oregon coast. And yes, some fresh snow for the high elevations, with more to come. After our daytime highs today, managed to hit 50 degrees right here in the Rose City. That's well above our average of 46 for this time of year. Now cooling things back into the low to mid 40s for the I-5 corridor, as that cloud coverage is slowly going to be increasing. Prefrontal clouds before our next storm system, which arrives from the Gulf of Alaska. That means it's packing a bit more of a punch as far as those colder temperatures go. So the rain for the coast, the valley, with snow expected all above about 2,000 feet as we start to work our way through the middle of this upcoming week. So for the start of the day tomorrow, maybe a light sprinkler or two possible for parts of the I-5 corridor, just the same for the coastline, as the heavy mountain snow starts to get underway early tomorrow morning. By the afternoon hours, we do anticipate a few heavier downpours with accumulative rain for the coast, the valley, and the foothills of the Cascades. And you can really see that indicated by the yellows, oranges, and reds that we expect to pick up on come Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon. There you go, falling right over the Portland area. And yes, we even have the potential for a few snowflakes over the highest peaks of the coast range. But again, steering clear of the I-5 corridor, we are not talking about any snow falling at the valley level, as rain gauges fill up close to 1.5 inches to almost 2 inches for some of us. The I-5 corridor closer to 1.25 inches to almost 1.5 inches, as snow elevations have started to pile back up the snow at the highest points. So the base layer building itself back up by about 4 inches or so over the past several days. The snow elevation levels, they are on the decline. You can see them falling back to almost 1,500 feet come Wednesday into Thursday. So now is a good time to maybe refresh yourself and where your location is and what your elevation is, because these microclimates really come into play when we start talking about winter weather. And of course, the lowest snow elevation level, that's expected Wednesday night into Thursday this week, falling back to about 1,500 feet. So that means no one here in the valley location is expecting to see any snow, despite what your weather app might be saying. You always got to take that with a grain of salt. It does a really poor job of actually determining where those microclimates are and what your elevation is. So that's why you stay right here with us in the KOIN 6 Weather Department, as Mount Hood piles back up the snow in the form of feet. We're talking about 1 to 2 possible. That all comes as a winter storm warning is in place. That's going to get underway early tomorrow morning, take us through Thursday afternoon. So any mountain pass travel you expect to do over the next 24 hours, anticipate some slick roadways. Keep those chains close at hand, as well as tonight here in the valley. We stay dry, cloud up those skies. Temperatures fall back into the 40s. Tomorrow, we keep things on the mild side for Portland, 47. The rain, the wind, it's going to start to pick up. Those gusts nearing 30 to 35 miles per hour by tomorrow afternoon and the evening. And that's also going to be the case up in elevation, likely reducing visibility, as our 7-day forecast keeps our temperatures closer to where they should be for this time of year until we get our way into the weekends. That's when we warm things up, but also keep those skies mostly dry and cloudy. The sunglasses likely going to be put away for the next 7 days, as January finally starts to feel like January.
That's right.
Yeah, and thank you for the weather today. I really appreciate
I know, it was beautiful.
Yeah, I had the Ray-Bans on. It was nice.
Right. We were really lucky over this holiday break in terms of the weather. It was so nice.
It was stable, easy travel for us.
All right, Josh,
All
thank
right.
you.
Thanks, Josh.